Hey everybody, this is Tucker Clarkson, the president of the Lake Doctors. Super excited today to be introducing our new branch manager of the Greenville territory, Jeff Martin. Jeff's been our Fort Myers branch manager for a long time and decided to make the move up with his family to the upstate. And we just couldn't be more excited to have a great guy like Jeff, who's been a lake doctor for a bunch of years and bringing his skills and expertise to the upstate market, which we've been here for 2 decades now, but really been primarily in the coastal areas, and just couldn't be more excited to be up here and introduce Jeff as our upstate territory manager in Greenville, South Carolina.
We are thrilled to bring almost 50 years of water management experience to the upstate of Greenville, South Carolina. What I bring to this area is hard work and honesty. My family and we're committed to Greenville. I look forward to the opportunity to serving everyone here, getting to know you and forming that relationship with you. Most importantly for me is being able to walk out in the community and see the property managers or maybe see the resident that fishes by their pond and say, hey, how you doing?
In this area, we're excited to bring our expertise and resources to full implementation.
One of our large customer bases here in the upstate are apartment complexes, and today we're visiting one of ours here, which kind of shows what we are about in lake maintenance and water management. We're also in the fountain industry, one of the leaders in the entire market. There's so many requirements that we need to be mindful of when it comes to these stormwater detentions.
Common things you deal with in the upstate are stormwater compliance issues, with erosion being a major factor. We really want to make sure that we're ahead of any potential issues before the rain events occur.
We're the eyes and ears. We're the ones out here, every month, quarterly. We're checking on the pond. We're not only checking on what we do, we're checking on things that are out of our control. So to have that peace of mind, that's what Lake Doctors gives you. We don't hide behind an answering service. We don't call you back to 3 weeks later. You're going to be able to get the questions answered the first time with the gentleman or missus that's on site treating your pond. If you have any questions, concerns, please give me a call, 864-498-6050.